Hi, in this video we are going to see about the parameter passing techniques in C. So parameter we know within the function we giving the variable, then it is called the parameter or arguments. So um one parameter is passed to the another function as the one parameter which will be same parameter will be passed to the another function. So we can, let us assume that the function b is called from the another function a. So a is the caller function and b is the called function. So the original function which we are calling is the caller function, and the function which is inside another function is the calling function. So the arguments a sends to b are the actual arguments, and the parameters of b are the formal arguments. So as I told, wherever we call that is the formal arguments, and the sending arguments are the actual arguments. The formal parameter means a variable and its type as it appears in the prototype of the function or method. Actual parameter means corresponding to the formal parameters appears in the function or while calling. That is the actual parameter. So at the time of function definition, it is the formal parameter. At the time of function calling, it is the actual parameter. So keep remembrance in the way. Otherwise, it will be get confusing for you. So here there are in and out. In means passing info caller to callee. Out means callee writes value in the caller. So the methods is methods of parameter passing already we have discussed in the previous video. Pass by value and call by value and call by reference. Here, so the pass by value is in-mode semantics. So the changes made to formal parameters do not get transmitted back to the caller. So any modifications to the formal parameter variable inside the called function or the method that affect only the storage location and will not be reflected in the actual parameter in the calling environment. This is also called as call by value. So it is similar to the call by value method. Next one is pass by reference. So in this also the same, the address block is going to refer over there. So the example here they have given is void function int a comma b. So two parameters. So a plus equal to b. That means a equal to a plus b. That code represents a plus equal to b means a equal to a plus b. So the two values are printed, and then in main they are representing two variables x and y. So this is the passing parameter. So function of x comma y. So here we are passing x and y as the parameters to instead of a and b. So here a and b variables will be replaced by the values of 5 and 7. So now here we are printing the values x and y. So here first the value uh, added a and b, that will be printed 12 and 7. Next the values x and y, that values alone printed as 5 and 7. So this is pass by value. We are just passing the value as the reference, so it does not affect the x and y values, it just affect only the a and b values. Next one, pass by pointer, that means pass by reference. So here pointer will be pass the memory address of the variable, that is the actual value of the variable. Instead of passing the actual value, here we are passing the address, same as pass by reference which we have seen in the call by reference. So this function used to access and modify the content at that particular memory location. So wherever the data is located, there the original content will be changed. So here for the same example, but instead of the variable, we are representing it with a asterisk symbol. So that is the pass by reference, but the concept and all same, and the output also it will be get different. So you just copy the program and then you put in the C compiler and then you execute it. You feel the difference, and then you will learn with more clarification about the program. Thank you, students.